If you're seeing a Trello board permission error, you might not be able to access a board, edit cards, or invite members. Yeah, this usually happens because of access restrictions, role settings, or account-related issues. But don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you several fixes that usually resolve permission errors in Trello. First, check your role on the board. If you're a guest or observer, you may not have permission to edit cards or make changes. If you don't have the required permissions, contact the board admin and request access. They can upgrade your role so you can edit or manage content. Sometimes workspace settings can restrict actions like inviting members or editing boards. Make sure the workspace permissions allow what you're trying to do. If the permissions seem correct but the error still appears, try logging out and signing back in. This refreshes your account session and updates your access rights. Browser issues can sometimes cause permission errors. Clearing your cache or switching to another browser can help fix display or access problems. And finally, check Trello's server status. Occasionally, service issues can temporarily affect permissions or access. And that's it. One of these fixes usually resolves Trello board permission errors so you can access and manage your boards normally. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.